Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Sharice, and in today's video I will be doing a little tidy up here on the front porch, as well as decorating. As you can see, the cushions need to be cleaned, they need to be swept, and the table is dirty. So let's just hop right on into today's video.
War is a four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt.
So what I'm doing right here, I'm about to take off the cushions and I'm gonna throw them into the washing machine just to give them a good wash. I'm not gonna dry them because the fabric here, it doesn't take long to, even when you put the wash machine on spin, depending on how fast your spin is in the washer, it practically dried these cushions, so I didn't have to dry them. So I will be just washing them only and going forward from there.
Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity.
So how's everyone's day going so far? Are you having a good day, a bad day? Let me know down in the comments, as well as let me know if you are decorating the outside of your home for fall, as well as I'm doing here today in today's video. But yeah, as you can see, I'm taking the broom and just sweeping out the chairs here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and as you can see in the beginning of the video, I have some cleaning products sit to the side, as well as my mop bucket have a lukewarm water in it. I'm gonna pour in some Microban and Fabuloso and take a microfiber cloth and wipe the chairs off as well.
Struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no.
And if you notice, I kept looking up and looking across. I was being nosy. My neighbor was outside on the phone across the street, and she was having a loud conversation that was very interesting. So comment down below and let me know, are you a little nosy like I am? Be trying to listen to what people be talking about when you be outside, or just in general. If you hear an interesting conversation, do your ears be plugged into it? I know mine's do.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? 'Cause you always wanna touch me.
So the decor that I'm showing you here, it was in my previous video. If you have not watched it, I will leave the link down in the description box below. But everything that I am using came from Target at their Target dollar spot.
One more shot, one more round. Take my hits pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals.
So now I am putting the cushions back onto the chairs, and they turned out, as you can see, they are so much better than what they were from being rained on and everything. And like I said before, I didn't have to dry them. They were actually already dry just by going through the wash and the spin cycle being strong enough to dry them when it was being spun. But yeah, after I'm done putting these cushions on, I will put the pillows on, and that will be the end of the video. Comment down below and let me know how you like how the simple decor turned out. I didn't use the wreath. If you watched my previous video, I didn't use the wreath that I made because I didn't have any command strips and I didn't go out to buy any. But once I do, I will definitely show you all how it looks on the outside once I put it up. So we are almost to the end of the video, and don't forget, if you are new, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I post videos here onto my channel, as well as share me out and comment down below and let me know that you made it far in this video by putting down a fall leaf or anything fall related emoji signs in the comments, and I will catch you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. You should lie on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on time.